We actually started the company off of our own personal experience, where we had sold our previous company and had to provide a very detailed report of all the open source components we were using in our product, which we didn't have. So that seemed like a big gap that wasn't just personal to us, but everyone was experiencing. And so decided to try and bridge that gap in the market. And initially started WhiteSource. We were the first ones to think about software as the sum of its components for security purposes. Back then, it didn't even have a name, right? The software composition analysis, that was something that was coined much later. And then started our journey with nothing, right? So initially no one cared, it wasn't a big deal. We had to very aggressively try and convince people that there's even a problem and that they should care about it. All the way until 2015 or so, where a series of very severe vulnerabilities started showing up in some of the world's most popular open source projects. Back then they used to give them these names, so it was Heartbleed and then Shell Shock, and then every few months you had another one, all the way to Log4j and Spring4Shell that happened recently. And that really raised awareness. So as of 2016, the company really started taking off, and we started tripling our sales and tripling again and doubling again, and so we became this much bigger company in operation. More recently, we've also started offering our customers SaaS solutions, so covering both their open source and proprietary code. So that's one aspect of it. The other is we're going beyond just finding vulnerabilities. We now completely automate the process of fixing those vulnerabilities completely automatically for you, and we feel that that's the right way to get any kind of value from application security, and so that's what we named the company after. Right? Mend is after the notion of mending the vulnerabilities, mending the applications, and not just finding problems and then letting you figure out what to do.